Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. My name is Jeanette and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this eye makeup look using the James Charles eyeshadow palette. I am weirdly obsessed with the way this look came out. It's like kind of sunset, kind of not. And I feel like I look really weird right now with only one eye done and the whole full face done. So I'm just gonna get started so I don't look weird anymore. Alright, so now that we're up close and personal and my eyebrow is literally disgusting, we're going to get started with this look. First, as always, I'm gonna prime my eyes using the Urban Decay Primer Potion and blending it out using the Morphe M173 brush. Next, I'm going to use the Morphe 166 brush and this yellowish shade here and packing that all over the lid. Next, I'm going to use the Morphe M433 brush and this little brown shade right here, and I'm gonna put that all over the crease. Use a clean blending brush to just soften out the edges. Next, I'm gonna use a Smashbox Smoky Shadow brush and this brown color right here and put that below the brown shade in the crease all the way to the inner corner and a little bit on the outer lid, and then go back and forth to diffuse it out. You can also go back in with the brush you used with the brown shade to just see if you saw I had a little mess up right here, just to clean it up and buff it out even more. Then go back in with the clean brush just to clean out this outer edge. Next, I'm going to use this little fluffy brush from the Morphe Coca-Cola collection and this little brown shade right here, and put that all over on the outer lid. Then I'm going to go in with the smoky shadow brush and just kind of connect the two shades right here like this. And then we're going to go in with this purple shimmer shade right here. This is where the fun starts to begin. Put it on your finger and then apply it to the lid, and you can obviously you're gonna need a few layers of this to build up to the right intensity. And it might help if you wet your finger a little bit. I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray, spraying it on my finger, wiping it off so there's just a little bit left, and then going back in to the purple and then applying it all over the lid like that. Then to get to the spots where you couldn't get with your finger, I'm using the Morphe M124 brush and placing that in the inner corner and kind of going like this to the edge of the crease. Then I'm just going to use a powder brush to wipe away as much fallout as I can. And I'm going to go back in with that Coca-Cola brush on the outer crease to just soften the edge between the shadow and the purple glitter. Next, I'm going to use that same brush with the purple shimmer shade and put that all over the lower lash line. And a little, since I don't have any purple eyeliner, I'm kind of putting the shadow on the waterline too to act as eyeliner. And then going in with the Coca-Cola brush again. And just diffuse it around the bottom. I feel like it's too harsh here, so I'm going to go in with that cleaner brush we've been using. Just to soften the edges out a little bit more. Then I'm going to use the Revitalash mascara and be right back. And here we have the final eye look. I honestly really like it. And I feel like my eyelashes have been falling out a bit recently, so I'm not going to put any false lashes on today. I'm just going to stick with the mascara. So let me just zoom you guys out so you can see the full face all together. So here we have the look all zoomed out. I feel like the lipstick isn't the right lipstick to go with this look, but I'm not going to change it at this point just because I'm probably going to take this right off because I have to go to my esthetician school today, and I'm going to be filming a get ready with me to go to my first day of in-person aesthetics classes, and that video will be up after this one, I think. So just stay tuned for that video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you did. Comment down below what other videos you'd like to see, and comment down below just anything you want. And comment down below what other eye makeup tutorials you guys would like to see, with like what palettes and stuff like that. And yeah, so with all that being said, again for the 100th time, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love making videos like this for you guys, so it would mean a lot to me if you would subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And press the notification bell to be notified every time I do upload a video. I upload every Monday and Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that's about it. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye!